गोयची बेकारी आणि शिक्षणीक मळावेले अधोगतीक घेवन तृणमूल काँग्रेसीन गोयच्या भाजपा सरकाराचो फोग काढला। राष्ट्रीय स्तरार बेकारी 4.2% आसा। थंय गोंयांतले बेकारीचे आंकडेवारी 10.5% आसप ही सावंत सरकाराक लजेची गजाल। सावंत सरकार शिक्षणात गंभीर ना, सद्याक ते इतिहास बदलपात गुल जाला। तृणमूलान फार पेटयल्यात।
आमचो सरकार जे आसा गोंयचो बीजेपीचो तो फक्त सांगता की आम्ही हे केला ते केला आंकडे जे आसा हे आंकडे आमचे न्हू, हे कोणाचे दुसरे पक्षाचे टीएमसी पक्षाचे न्हू, हे बीजेपीचो मंत्र्याचो रिप्लाय। तुमकां हांव रिप्लाय दिता सो दॅट तुमकां बरे भाशेन कळटले ब्रेक डावन आमचो। बट बेसिकली द अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑल इंडिया लेवल इज 4.2 and in Goa it is 10.5, more than double. आणि आम्ही सांगता की गोवा इज गॉट दिस फर्स्ट प्राइज दॅट फर्स्ट प्राइज। आमचे जर भुरगे तरणाटे जी आमचो फुडार गोंयचो आणि इंडियेचो फुडार ते जर बेकार उरले जाल्यार कितें म्हणून करतले। द फॉर्मर RBI गव्हर्नर रघुराम राजन टुडे who said 2 days ago we are in great danger for the generation that graduates out of schools over the next 10 years. What are they going to do? Question is, are education providing skilled persons to get gainful employment? We are busy in changing history, correcting history. How does that benefit the children? We are only out to destroy history, recreate some new history. What is going on? Instead of looking at the youth of the future, these people are trying to self-glorify themselves by trying to change and distort history.
स्वतः शिक्षण मंत्री आशिल्ल्या मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान गोयच्या शिक्षणीक मळावेले अधोगतीक शिक्षकांक जबाबदार धरल्यात। तुम्ही शिकिल्ल्यांक नोकऱ्यो दिवपाक शकनात, मागीर भुरग्याकडेन मोग ती कसली उरतली? बेट्टे शिक्षकांक कित्याक दोश दितात? वास्तववादी एम्प्लॉयमेंट पॉलिसी जाहीर करात। ट्राजन डिमेलोन सरकाराक आव्हान दिला। ऐकात।
Goa performs low compared to national average in spite of having better literacy. आणि मुख्यमंत्री दोष दिता टीचरांक की हे तर रिफ्लेक्ट जाता टीचरांचेर। आता टीचरांचे दुखलून सरकाराची जबाबदार कुशीक धरपाची। पूण आमी टीएमसी जे आहात पळय ते आमी लोकांचे फुड्यान हे धरूंक सोदता की जोरी तो लो एवरेज जाली जाल्यार फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज भुरग्यां आपापले भाव भयणी शेजारी जी ग्रॅज्युएट पास जावन गेल्यात जेन्ना धाकटे भुरगे तिका पळयता नोकरी नासतना व्हॉट इज द मोटिवेशन फॉर देम टू स्टडी हार्ड? व्हॉट इज द मोटिवेशन? दे विल स्टडी एंड डू व्हॉट? They can see their brothers, their sisters who are elder to them, their neighbors who have graduated and can't get a job. So why you are blaming the teachers itself? If the government is not in a position to provide jobs, from where will the motivation come to study? And why blame the teachers? Our demand is that the government of Goa come out with a proper employment policy. There are some political parties and leaders are talking about 80%. They are fooling the people. This 80% policy was brought in when Luigi Falero once again was the then Labour Minister. The question is not bringing the policy. The question is on implementing the policy. It's very difficult to implement the policy. I take a debate with anybody and challenge anybody to come and show me how that 80% can work and where it has worked. The policy was there. That even subsidies will be placed only after producing that certificate. But there are a lot of hurdles in between. There are wheels within wheels. Therefore, the TMC demands to come out with a policy that will motivate the youth to study so that they will be gainfully employed.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान अमर चावरिया।